Welcome to St Mungo's, a luxurious student accommodation located in the heart of Glasgow. Featuring a diverse range of en-suites and studios, this residence is designed to cater to the needs of students. Each room boasts a plush bed and a spacious study desk. Near the desk, you'll find a capacious wardrobe, perfect for storing all your belongings. The private bathrooms are generously sized and well-equipped to accommodate your toiletries. In the kitchen, you'll discover modern amenities including a microwave, cooktop, and cabinets for storing snacks and ingredients. Watch a movie with friends in the cinema room and a study area for finishing your assignments. Additionally, the property also features an on-site gym and barbecue area, located a short distance from the City of Glasgow College and the University of Strathclyde. On days when you're feeling tired, indulge in takeout from Join a Good Bite or High Street Rollers. Grab a cup of coffee en route to college from Caffanero or Little Royal Cafe. For weekend adventures, plan a trip to Kelvingrove Park by hopping on a bus from the nearby Wellington Street bus stop. Step into your dream student life in Glasgow by booking your stay at St Mungo's student accommodation via amberstudent.com.